Traveling is one of life's greatest joys. Exploring new cultures, tasting new foods, and creating memories that last forever. But let us be honest, one wrong move can turn that dream trip into a stressful nightmare. In this video, we were breaking down the biggest travel mistakes to avoid at all costs, so your next adventure is smooth, smart, and stress-free. Stay till the end, because mistake number 1 is something even experienced travelers still get wrong. Section 1. Not researching enough. Let's start with the foundation. Lack of research. Too many people just book a ticket and wing it. That might sound adventurous, but it often leads to disappointment. You might arrive during the rainy season, find that your favorite attraction is closed, or realize you overpaid for a hotel in the wrong neighborhood. A smart traveler knows research is everything. Before you go, check local customs and dress codes, public transport options, currency exchange rates, average daily costs, and yes, safety and health alerts. Even a few hours of research can save you hundreds of dollars and tons of stress later. Pro tip: use tools like Google Travel, TripAdvisor, and Reddit's travel threads for real traveler experiences. Section 2. Ignoring travel insurance. Here's a mistake people regret the most: skipping travel insurance. You might think, I'll be fine. What could go wrong? Well, imagine breaking your ankle in Thailand or losing your luggage in New York. Those small problems can cost thousands without insurance. Travel insurance covers medical emergencies, lost luggage trip cancellations, flight delays. A policy that costs $50 could save you $5,000 or more. Pro tip: always read the fine print. Some insurances don't cover adventure sports or pandemics. Section 3. Overpacking. We've all been there, standing on a suitcase, trying to zip it shut. Overpacking is one of the most common rookie mistakes. Not only does it make traveling harder, but airlines also love charging for that extra baggage weight. Ask yourself, do you really need 6 pairs of shoes for a 5-day trip? Probably not. Pack smart, use packing cubes. Stick to neutral colors. Follow the rule of 5. 5 tops, 3 bottoms, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 jacket. And remember, you can always buy what you need at your destination. Section 4. Not budgeting properly. Many travelers run out of money halfway through their trip because they didn't budget properly. They forget about hidden costs: airport transfers, tips, attraction fees, and unexpected taxis. To avoid that, create a daily budget. Keep some cash for emergencies. Track expenses with apps like Trail Wallet or Travel Spend Pro Tip. Always have a small emergency fund. You never know when you'll need it. Missed trains, broken phones, or last-minute hotel changes. Section 5. Poor planning of itinerary. Trying to see everything in one trip? That's a fast way to burn out. Cramming too much into your itinerary leads to exhaustion, and you'll barely remember anything. Instead, plan for balance. Smart tip: choose 2 to 3 main attractions per day. Leave time for breaks and local exploration. Don't underestimate travel time between places. Sometimes, the best moments happen when you slow down, sipping coffee at a local cafe or watching a sunset you didn't at all plan for. Section 6. Not knowing currency exchange. Tricks exchange rates can eat into your budget fast. Big mistake: exchanging money at airports. They often charge the worst rates and high commissions. Better options: use local ATMs for smaller withdrawals. Get a travel-friendly debit or credit card with no foreign transaction fees. Avoid the pay in your home currency option. Always choose local currency for better rates. Those small decisions can save you 5 to 10% on every transaction. Section 7. Not respecting local culture. This mistake can ruin your trip and offend locals. Not respecting local customs, dress codes, or traditions is a big no. Before you visit a country, learn how to greet people. What's considered rude dress expectations at religious sites. In some countries, wearing shoes inside temples or showing too much skin can be deeply disrespectful. Pro tip: a small gesture, like learning a few local words, thank you, hello, can open doors and hearts. Section 8. Ignoring offline tools. We rely so much on the internet that we forget one key thing. It doesn't work everywhere. Many travelers get stuck when their data plan fails or they lose signal. Smart move. Download Google Maps offline. Save hotel addresses and boarding passes. Take screenshots of directions and confirmations, because when Wi-Fi disappears, your preparation saves the day. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Section 9. Forgetting to check visa and passport requirements. Be surprised how many travelers make this mistake. Arriving at the airport only to be denied boarding because of visa issues or passport expiry. Always check your passport validity. Most countries require at least 6 months of validity beyond your travel dates. Visa tip. Use sites like Sherpa or your government's travel portal to confirm entry requirements before booking flights. Never assume your destination offers visa on arrival. Section 10. Falling for tourist traps. Every city has them. Overpriced tours, fake, authentic experiences, and pushy street vendors. Tourist traps drain your money and waste your time. Smart tip, do what locals do. Eat where locals eat. Use public transport. Skip the Instagram famous restaurants with $10 smoothies and try a local food stall instead. You'll experience more and spend less. Section 11. Arriving late at the airport. We all know this one. Rushing through security, sweating, praying the gate is still open. Arriving late for flights is an easy mistake to avoid. Always reach 2 to 3 hours before international flights and at least 90 minutes before domestic flights. Remember, security lines, immigration, and boarding times can change unexpectedly. Your vacation shouldn't start with panic. Section 12. Ignoring accommodation reviews. A fancy hotel website doesn't mean it's a great place to stay. Always read reviews, and not just the good ones. Check noise levels, location safety cleanliness, real traveler photos. Pro tip, if reviews mention bed bugs, rude staff, or bad Wi-Fi, run. Section 13. Not being careful with street food. Trying local food is amazing, but eating the wrong thing can ruin your trip. Avoid stalls that have no locals eating. Don't cook food fresh. Use dirty water or utensils. Stick to busy spots with high turnover. That's usually a sign of safety and freshness. And carry medicine for upset stomachs, just in case. Section 14. Forgetting to back up photos. Imagine losing your phone, and with it, all your travel memories. Always back up your photos to Google Photos, iCloud, or a hard drive every few days. Travel memories are priceless. Protect them. Section 15. Not staying aware. Incredible destinations also attract pickpockets and scams. Stay alert, especially in crowded areas. Safety tips. Use anti-theft bags. Don't flash cash or jewelry. Keep important items in front pockets. Be cautious when strangers offer to help with directions or ATMs. A little awareness goes a long way. Section 16. Forgetting essentials. Some things you should never forget. Chargers and adapters. Travel documents, reusable water bottle, power bank. Travel size first aid kit. Pro tip. Make a checklist on your phone and double check before leaving. Section 17. Not living in the moment. And finally, the most important mistake of all. Don't spend your whole trip chasing the perfect photo or TikTok clip. Put the phone down, look around, talk to locals, soak in the experience. Because one day, the photos will fade, but the memories will last forever. Outro. So there you have it. The top travel mistakes to avoid at all costs. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Esme.